Welcome you all in our video lecture. This is third part of our topic quadrilaterals. Let us do more questions from the recap exercise. This is the question 8. Three angles of a quadrilateral are 130 degree, 88 degree and 67 degree. We have to calculate the fourth angle of the quadrilateral. We know the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So let us suppose the fourth angle equals x degree. So therefore, and we know sum of all angles equals 360 degree. Therefore, 130 degree plus 88 degree plus 67 degree and plus this x degree equals 360 degree. Now summing these three, 130 degree plus 88 degree, that is what? That is 218 degree, and 218 plus 67 degree, that is 285 degree. And plus with this variable part x, that is called 360 degree. Now transposing this 285 towards right side, we get x is equal to 360 degree minus 285 degree. So therefore we calculate the value of x, that is x is equal to 360 degree minus 285, that is 75 degree. Thus fourth angle of a quadrilateral is equal to x, that is 75 degree. Now question number 9, we have a figure ABDC, a quadrilateral here. We have to check which one is acute angle, which is obtuse, and which is right. We have to note them by A. Acute angle is A, obtuse angle is B, and right angle is C. Looking over this figure, we can check this is a right angle 90 degree, or you can check it by using the protractor also. You know, an acute angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90. Clearly this is an acute angle. Here we can see that angle BDC, this is an acute angle, is an acute angle. So we can represent angle BDC equal to A. Also, now looking over this angle ABD, this is more than 90. When an angle is greater than 90 but less than 180, that is an obtuse angle. Here ABD is an obtuse angle. So angle ABD is equal to B. B means obtuse. We have to represent it by B as asked by the question. Now we have here 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. So that means we have two right angles here. Angle ACD and angle BAC are right angles. That is therefore, so angle ACD is equal to C and angle BAC equal to C. Question 10, final question of the exercise. Do it by your own self. What the question says, you have to mark the figures which are quadrilaterals. That means if a figure is having four sides, then that is a quadrilateral, otherwise that is not. Do it by your own. Okay, dear students, our next topic is classification of quadrilaterals. The very first type is parallelogram. A quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram if its opposite pairs are parallel to each other and they are equal also. So that quadrilateral is said to be a parallelogram. Suppose in this quadrilateral PQRS, this pair, they are parallel to each other. Parallel means they should never meet each other and they are equal also. If this is 5 centimeter, this should be also 5 centimeter. If this is 3 centimeter, then opposite side should be also 3 centimeter. That means this category, this quadrilateral is our parallelogram now. So PQRS is a parallelogram if and only if PQ parallel to RS and PS parallel to QR, and PQ must be equal to RS and PS must be equal to RQ. The second type is a rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is said to be a rectangle. That means there should be a parallelogram if each angle is 90 degree now. If each angle of a parallelogram is 90 degree, so this category, this parallelogram is said to be a right angle. So that means angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S should be 90 degree now. Dear student, you should remember here that all rectangles or parallelograms, this is the notation of parallelograms, but all parallelograms are not a rectangle. This is the remark first, you should remember it. All rectangles are parallelograms, but the converse is not true, that is, all parallelograms are not rectangles. The third type is rhombus. A parallelogram is that in which all the sides are equal. That means if we have a parallelogram, if all sides are equal, we can see that this is a rhombus. Suppose we have a parallelogram PQRS. If PQ is equal to QR and QR is equal to RS and RS is equal to SP, so we can say that this is a rhombus. This is a special type, so we can say that it is a 4 is square. This is a square ABCD. A rhombus in which all 4 angles are right angle is known as a square. That means if we have a rhombus, rhombus means a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. But in square, all sides must be equal as well as all angles should be equal to 90 degree. That means angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we can say that a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal is said to be a square. Dear students, you should remember all squares are rectangle, but all rectangles are not square. That is, the converse is not true. You should remember it. Note second, all squares are a rectangle, but converse is not true, or we can say that but all rectangles may not be square. Five is a trapezium. It is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel only. That is, if we have a quadrilateral PQRS, if one pair say PQ parallel to RS, so that we can say it is a trapezium. And finally the number 6, that is a kite. It is again a quadrilateral, not a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral in which 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That is, if we have a quadrilateral PQRS, if 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal, that is PQ equal to PS and QR equal to RS, then we can say that it is a kite. Thank you for watching the video.